Good afternoon, everybody. Happy Gudi Padwa. A wonderful day, new year, and possibly a new topic for few years. Wolf wave, the one strategy you cannot miss. Do you know something about this wave? Anybody here? MOW? No. It's slightly different. I think I had earlier talked about MW pattern in one of the online seminars which I had done for Atma. And maybe we can address that as well here once we go through the presentation here on wolf wave. But this is slightly different, the wolf wave. I'm going to talk about how this wave is, how do you tackle this, what is the strategy behind it, how do you take your entries, stop loss, targets, everything. So let us begin this discussion on wolf wave. But let's start understanding about us being part of the market. Now I have put two words there, one an analyst and a trader. Now if I ask you a question, does a good trader need to be an analyst?
Yes.
Does a good trader need to be an analyst?
Yes.
The quick answer was yes. My answer to it is no. My answer to it is no. In market you can be a good trader, earn lots of money, but you need not be an analyst for that. Surprised? But that's the fact. Because the rules of trading are different. The rules of money making with trading are different. They are not anyway linked to being an analyst. Now then, what is the job of a trader and what's the job of an analyst? What's the job of a trader and what's the job of an analyst? What's the distinction? How does an analyst operate and how does a trader operate? Now, I call myself as a trader because I participate in, that's the prime job that I do, is I am interested. A lot of people ask me, Hemant, you don't give calls, you are not in any advisory. I said, no. I am an analyst also and I am a trader as well, because I think I should use this knowledge of analysis for my own trading. I coach people. Coach people, how? Through a 6 months mentorship program. Where possibly what I do is groom people on taking trades, because it's like learning cricket or it's learning swimming. If I teach you driving on a PowerPoint presentation, can you drive? Not really. So that's the job of a coach. But coming back to this, an analyst and a trader, how would you differentiate? What's the prime job of an analyst? Say in this case we're talking about a technical analyst.
Collect data, different types of data, and then you make a conclusion.
Collect different types of data and make a conclusion. Do you call that as analysis as far as technical analysis goes? I say, now if I define technical analysis, many people ask me, okay, what is technical analysis? The first thing I say, there's nothing technical about technical analysis. It's only analysis of demand and supply. You are just trying to find out from the price where is the demand and where is the supply at a particular point. You do, as a technical analyst, I don't do anything beyond that. But there is a lot behind understanding whether there is a demand or whether there is a supply. That's my job as an analyst. But it doesn't limit it there. My job as an analyst is to talk about systems. Now, technical analysis as a subject, you may keep learning a lot of tools, lot of studies, right from your line tools to a trend line to a moving average to what. There is n number of topics which are there. One topic we may talk today as well. There are lot of topics, but from those topics You need to design a system. You need to design a strategy. You may know lots of topics. You know Bollinger Band, some may say I know Ichimoku Cloud, somebody may say that I am good at averages, somebody may come and say that I am good at KST, somebody may say I am good at CCI. Fine. But what is important for you as traders, or rather I would put as analyst, is to understand how I can merge what you know to design a strategy for a particular situation in the market. So to make money in the market consistently, when I am saying money, it's not one-off money, it's to be made consistently, weeks after weeks, months after months. If you want to do profitable trades, then you need to design those systems which work in the market consistently. So that's the job of an analyst. And it ends there, is he designs those systems. What is the job of a trader? I don't know technical analysis, still can I make money from the market trading? Yes, how? If I ask you this simple question, I am a trader, I don't know technical analysis and still I want to make money, can you make money as a trader?
With the help of analyst you can make.
Sorry?
With the help of analyst you can make.
With the help of analyst you can make, okay, fine. So what kind of help will you take from an analyst?
Calls.
Calls, wonderful. Now he says that he would take calls, fine. But then what? You got the calls. In the call, what will you get?
How to play the call, that trader knows it.
How to play the call is what the trader knows.
Trader knows.
A call is call. What happens in a call? The analyst who gives you a call will give you an entry price, he will give you a target and he will give you a stop loss. That's a common thing which will be given to you. So then what is that the trader does so that if the 30 people, 50 people sitting here, trader takes risk.